Are you looking to earn more money by promoting the products and services of a global e-commerce leader? Shopify affiliate marketing can help you do just that. With an easy-to-use platform, powerful tools, great commission rates, Shopify is the perfect place for any affiliate marketer to maximize their earning potential. Whether you are starting or a seasoned veteran, Shopify has something to offer everyone. Get started today and start earning money with Shopify affiliate marketing. What is Shopify affiliate marketing? Shopify affiliate marketing is the perfect way to make money online. With Shopify's streamlined platform, you can become an affiliate for any of their products and earn commissions for every sale. Plus, it's free to join and no prior experience is needed. So start today and watch your income grow. Start promoting Shopify's robust e-commerce solutions and turn your website, blog, or social media into a money-making machine. Shopify affiliate marketing is the future of online earning. Join now and start monetizing your traffic today. How to set up an affiliate program for Shopify affiliate marketing. Are you looking to set up a Shopify affiliate marketing program? Look no further. Shopify makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to create and manage an effective affiliate marketing program. With Shopify, there are no coding skills required. Just a few simple steps and your affiliate program will be up and running in no time. Here's how to get started. 1. Create your affiliate program in Shopify. Go to the marketing section of your Shopify setting and click on Affiliate Program. From there, you can customize your program settings according to your needs. You can select from different commission rates, payment options, and more. 2. Invite affiliates to join. Shopify makes it easy for you to send out invitations to potential affiliates. You can send an email invitation or a link that allows potential affiliates to sign up for your program immediately. 3. Set up tracking links. For each product or service you offer on your Shopify store, you will need to generate a unique tracking link. This is what affiliates will use to track their referrals and commissions. You can set up tracking links utilizing a platform like Affiliate WP, designed just for Shopify. Once you have your tracking codes in place, you can provide them to your affiliates so they can start promoting and earning commissions. 4. Monitor your program. Once your Shopify affiliate marketing program is up and running, you can easily monitor your performance in the affiliate section of your Shopify dashboard. You can track how many clicks and sales have been generated by each affiliate and manage payouts and commissions. With these easy steps, your Shopify affiliate marketing program will be up and running in no time. Start building relationships with affiliates today and watch your business grow. That's it for our Shopify affiliate marketing video. We hope you found this information helpful. Now it's time for you to take action. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share your experience and feedback with us. Together we can make affiliate marketing more successful than ever before. Thanks for watching.